Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is cauliflower tots. The first step is to blanch the cauliflowers. So boil some water in a pan, add some salt to this and add the separated cauliflower florets. Don't overcook them, just boil for around 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready now. This is perfectly blanched. You can take it out. Now let us chop this. You have to chop as fine as possible. Our chopping is over now. We'll transfer this into another bowl. Now we'll add rest of the ingredients. This is 1/4 cup of chopped onions, half a cup of capsicum chopped, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, half a teaspoon of pepper powder and the required amount of salt. Give a nice mix. Mixing is over, but I need some binding agent, so I'm going to add an egg to this. If you don't want to use eggs, you can always use flax seeds. You can soak it for about 10 minutes and you can grind it and use it over here. Or else you can use corn flour and little water. To this now add half a cup of mozzarella cheese. Mixing part is over. Now let us shape this. I'm going to use an oven here, so I'm greasing an oven-proof pan with oil. If you don't have an oven, you can very well cook this in a tawa. Let us arrange all the tots. This is ready to get into the preheated oven. So this oven is preheated for 10 minutes at 180 degrees C. So now raise the temperature to 220 degrees centigrade and cook this for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can take it out and turn the tots. Now again cook this for another 15 minutes, so your total baking time will be 30 minutes. Your tots are ready now. We'll join you in another interesting recipe and don't forget to subscribe our channel.